Enemy infantry engaging.
Check your mission.
I don't like the look of this.
Check your mission.
Goodbye, camper.
Got a new
Hello,
mission for you.
Kevin.
Details on your map.
Welcome. Come on, man. How about you, brother? Bienvenido, ¿cómo estás?
Hostile troops sighted.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready. Check your missions.
Ah, qué bien, qué bien. ¿Fuiste a vacaciones o a algún lugar? Me gusta esta arma, ¿eh? Es buena.
Be ready. No second chances after this.
Mira ese
Heads up.
chaval, ¿qué hace?
Hostile vehicle. Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Siento como que hay alguien detrás de mí. Uy.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Enemy vehicle. That area doesn't look good.
Viene por mí, ¿no? Seguro. ¿Se fue? Había matado a alguien aquí, a ver si sigue aún. ¿Dónde estás tú? Vamos a enviar esta artillería a alguien. Pues pillamos la otra que está en el suelo. En China. Ah, qué bien.
Check your missions.
Qué bien, amigo.
Position marked. Scale fire. Go on.
Roger that. Stand by.
Move to that location.
Bueno, hemos fallado.
Request fire mission. Over.
Copy. Stand by.
Es para alguien, pero no sé quién. ¿Dónde está?
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Vamos a robar nosotros también su drop. Como se ha escapado, vamos a intentar coger una arma interesante. A ver qué pillamos. Venga, esta. ¿Y te ha gustado China? ¿Qué te pareció? ¿Qué te pareció la experiencia de China?
Missions are done, but stay alert until we're out of here.
Vamos, vamos. De verdad,
Those classified materials can be a game
mejor
changer.
que España,
Nice
no me
work.
digas. Bueno, será más divertido China, porque hay muchísimas cosas que no existen en el mundo. Incluso yo cuando voy a AliExpress, el mercado, me parece más divertido. En comparación a otras compañías. Hay miles de cosas. Increíble. ¿A dónde vas, chaval? ¿A dónde vas tú?
RV on that position.
Vamos a eliminarle antes de que... Adiós. No sé si el juego se ve mal. A mí se me parece. Parece que tiene un poco de problemas. Al mover se pone colores raros abajo. No entiendo por qué.
Overwatch requested on my grid.
Stand by.
Está muy cerca, está muy cerca.
Half the fight's behind you.
Está
Don't let
escapando.
up.
¿Te vas tú, chaval? ¿Dónde estás? Ah, está ahí. Adiós. Dios. A ver. Esos jugadores de Battlefield son muy interesantes, chaval. Juegan como si fuera real. No un juego, sino una vida real. ¿Qué grabas? Me voy a grabar un vídeo. Ten un buen día. Gracias, amigo. ¿Te refieres a un gameplay o...?
This far. Don't stop now.
¿Vas a jugar a Robots? Tenía poquísima vida, tío. Me reventaste.
Listen up. It's just you and one hostile left. Finish the job.
Eres mío, chaval, eres mío. GG's.
Keep your head up, soldier. Evac is on its way.
¿Qué pasa, Toprak? Buenos días. Günaydın kardeşim. Al sana win bak. Böyle win alırız işte. Tam zamanında geldim vallahi.
Hostiles didn't even know it hit them. Great work.
Ya oyunum iyi değil ya. Çıkıp bir daha gireyim bir saniye. Oyunun takıl oynadım valla. Dakıla oyun aldık. Enteresan. Dın dın dın. Nasılsın Toprak? Nereden? Un video, ten un buen día. Gracias, amigo. ¿Te refieres a un gameplay o...? ¿Vas a jugar a Robots? Tenía poquísima vida, tío. Me reventaste.
Listen up. It's just you and one hostile left. Finish.
Ay ay ay. Dun dun dun dun dun dun. Okay, let's play more. Oh, nice. Should we go with this one? Revive sickness, recovery time reduced. This is better now. Yeah. Let's go with this one. We need better. We need more big. We need more maps for this game.
Jump windows coming up. You've got unknown shooters inbound. Consider everyone down there a threat. Stay alert for updates. You are good to go to deploy. Call it.
Ay ay ay. Oha, beni harika görüyorsun oğlum sen. What the heck? Abican hoş geldin. İyiyim, var sen nasılsın? Kahvaltı yapacağım, yazamam. Tamam gülüm. Sıkıntı yok ya, senin canın sağ olsun. Senin canını yiyeyim. Aha. Afiyet olsun. Aha, bir daha geldi. Ben yalnız değilim burada. Abi gene oyun donuyor ya. Uyan uyan uyan uyan derin uykudan.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
Ha bir daha var burada. Yok kimse yok. Bir anda gözümden gitti sandım. Bak gördün mü? Başka karakterle oynuyorum şu anda ama kutular paramaya devam ediyor. Bu karakterin şey özelliği yok. O loot görme özelliği falan, loba gibi o özellik yok yani. 41 memberi, bunu alalım. Bu olsun. Bu da
Check your missions.
bu da bu olsun. Hadi bizi vurun öldürelim ya. Adam beni çok fena öldürdü ha. Wallhack olabilir. It could be a wallhack. The guy who killed me before. Bence bu adam hile abi ya. Gitti mi acaba? Aşağı mı indi? Lan ne oluyor? Oha. Ha, burada hala
Hostile
burada.
troops sighted.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Oğlum oyun niye takılıyor ya? Baksana bak. Hareket olaya bak. Bak. Niye böyle ya? Acaba şey mi açsam? Bunu yapalım. Bir de bunu açalım. Bakalım ne oluyor. Allah Allah geldi. Oğlum bu adam hile ya. Bu adam hile. Biliyordum ha, biliyordum. Bu adam hile olduğunu biliyordum. Adam hile kanka ya. Biliyordum adam hayır olduğunu biliyordum. I knew this guy was cheating. Yukarı baktım, scan de yoktu.
Your side's been wiped out. Next
Bunda hile
time,
var.
step it up.
İzliyoruz. Aynı kişi, beni vuran kişi bu. İyi oldu bizi vurması. Kardeş biz tanıyoruz ya hileleri. Bak adam 1 level. Bu adam 1 level. Steam'de. Bu adam Steam'de 1 level. Report. Biliyorum baba, biliyorum. I know it. I know this guy is cheating. I know. Ben ilk öldüğüm anda anladım yani bu adam hile olduğunu. Belli yani. Bak mal gibi oynuyor bak, mal gibi oynuyor bak. Bak. 1 level. Bakayım ne yazmışsın, bir saniye. Abi ben Cuma'ya gideyim. Kahvaltı yaptım. Yarıda PC'de açık yayın. Tamam gülüm, sıkıntı yok canım benim. Birbirini vurdular. İkisi de aynı anda. Çok enteresan. Gerizekalı. Allah kahretsin gülüm. This guy has terrible aim. But somehow he is still killing people. He has wall hack. I'm not sure with aim as aimbot, but he has wall hack, and now he's adjusting his settings because he died. He's watching the enemies. He knows everybody's place, I guess. Look. Wow. What a loser. What a loser, man. Are you idiot, Kaiser? How did you lose that, man? Wow. Why he stopped shooting? What are you doing, man? What's going on? All right. Let's go again. Dun, da, dun, da, da, da, dun. All right, let's go.
Drop zone's coming up. Enemy shooters closing on target area. Don't let any of them get out of there alive. I'll send updates as needed.
Dun, da, dun, da, da, da, da, dun.
Go at your discretion.
Someone land here?
Listen up. Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
I think someone landed here, man.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
Yep, here.
Doesn't look good. Enemy contact in my AO! I don't like the look of this. Heads up. We got a danger point. Bound over to that location!
I'm really confused, man.
Check your missions.
Run! All right. This game so stupid, man.
Mission
Request
available.
FMV over my position.
Roger that. Stand by.
Oh, you saw me. Oh, I died to zone? No. This guy killed me. Oh my god! It was tough.
Alright, you're good to go. Sending you back in.
Got enemy in sight! Got a danger spot here.
Burn zone is closing in. You'll be compromised if you don't move it.
Wake up, wake up. This world is dangerous. I got you, I got you. Is he following me? This is not good. We have no armor. I think he's getting shot. Good for me.
Kick it up a notch. You've got a lot of targets out there.
Need to find loot.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details. Check your missions. Hostile dropping near your location.
Oh my goodness. Man, what a bad game. What is this? Why there's one more person behind me? What do you want from me, man? Come on.
Alright, you're out. Better luck next time.
This game was tough, huh? Oynayacağız hani. Madre, ya empezaron los ruidos. Buenos días. ¿Qué tal? ¿Has dormido? ¿Bien? No. Yo no hablé casi nunca. Tarán, tan, tarararán. Iba a coger yo, dice, la pelota. ¿Qué vas a hacer con la pelota? ¿Traéis algo para abrir esto? Ya que viniste de comprar 4 y aún tenemos 2 más. Si no, no nos llega, tía. Deberías de tirar, mi amor. No tirar muy arriba. Así, así.
Check your mission.
Enemy contact in my AO! I don't like the look of this. Heads up. We got a danger point.
La la la la la. La, la, la.
You have unknown
Hello
shooters
guys, good
close to the
morning.
target area. Make sure you drop them all. Get ready to jump.
Have you ever tried Battlefield? Alright, we go in here.
Go for deployment. Give them hell. Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Come on, man. I don't know what's happening. There were so many.
All right, square yourself away. You're headed back in.
I'm coming back. Oh no, we are so far away from there. We are so far away. How come nobody landed here? It's a great place. It's not smooth, really. I have to press 10 times to the button in order to upgrade my weapon, and I accidentally upgraded wrong.
Your mission should be available. Get a move on. Counting on you. Got a
Where,
new mission for
where
you.
did this
Details
guy
on your map.
come from? Saw him very late. What the heck?
That's a good grab on that intel case.
I'm so happy that I didn't try.
Got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready. Enemy is moving into the AO. Must be some kind of op. Put him down. He took out a tracker. Step it up.
And why everyone is trying to kill me?
Position marked. Scale fire. Go on.
Roger. On the way. That is a good find on those classified materials. Way to step it up.
Weird people, man. Weird. Where is he? Ping. Die already.
That heat's coming in fast. You've got the intel. Use it.
There's probably one more person. He's run away.
Enemy shut down a sensor. Don't let him get to any more.
What the heck? Oh my god.
Shake it off. Didn't land this mission. Reset and refocus.
Bro, I'm really confused. How I failed?
We've got a new mission ready.
Ooh. I think someone else shoot this guy. Hello, Mr. Norome. Hello, brother. I think this guy got sniped. I'm not sure. Guys, why it says mission failed if I killed the guy? How does the missions work, man? I should have broke the mission, or
Contact. Hostile troops sighted. Oh,
what I had to do?
enemy contact in my AO.
It's really confusing, man. It was saying defended, and I defended by killing the guy who was trying to complete the mission, and it still says mission failed. Hello, hello. Guys, please don't forget to like the stream if you enjoy watching. By the way, do you play Battlefield? Do you know this game?
Check your mission.
I think he's inside the house. Okay, let's try again. I will play Battlefield 1 and 5. Oh, 5 is
Solid
amazing,
find on that intel.
my opinion.
Keep digging for more.
I really love Battlefield 5. But unfortunately, there is not much players left in the game.
Good work. Keep digging
Sometimes
out
I have to
there.
wait
Secure
too
everything
much
you can
time
find.
to find the match. That's sad. I swear Battlefield 5 is so sweet. The graphics are like it's like Battlefield 1 but modern Battlefield 1. The other day I went to a
New mission for you.
server
Details on your map.
and it was empty. Battlefield 5 is full of motion, I swear. What is this? What is this thing? Why there is green smoke? Oh wait, nice.
Overwatch requested on my grid.
Have you tried Battlefield 5 6?
Copy.
This
Stand
game
by.
mode is free, by the way. Oh, my mouse. Oh my god, I was so scared. There's a cable hitting my mouse. I couldn't aim down very well. There goes sniper.
Mission available.
Let's try sniper. He's right here. On left side. Where? Oh yes, here. Oh no, I couldn't finish him. If I hit him with my knife in the backside, I could finish him, but he turned his back fast. Ah, that was funny, man. Nah, all good. I really enjoyed what I have done. Even with failed, no problem. That was stupid, man. That was stupid. Do you think Battlefield 1 and Battlefield 5 are still playable? Or they are dead? What do you think? I think many people stopped playing Battlefield 1 and 5 because of Battlefield 6. What do you think? Please guys, don't forget to like the stream and subscribe if you want to watch more Battlefield, Apex Legends and other favorite games. We are normally doing stream of Battle Royale games. If you prefer watching this kind of games, please don't forget to like the stream and subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Let's spectate this guy and then start the matchmaking. Nice. There are very little Chinese people play Battlefield 6, I think.
Keep your guard up.
You Chinese? Are you from China? Really? Oh, you're gonna fail? You're gonna fail? Wow. I remember this one guy. I don't know really about the servers, but you may not have Chinese server, but you may have Asian servers, so it's the same. For example, we don't have Spain server either. We have Europe server. It goes with the zone, you know. You are in Asia, so you should have Asian server. In Europe, I have Europe server, you know, not specific country. Oh, thank you so much, Miss Tana. Thank you so much. Love you. We Kurds deserve our rights and freedom. Hopefully, it will be possible one day. We've been facing assimilation since 100 years, more than 100 years. And we are really tired. We need peace and be free. Even though we are in 4 countries, no problem, but just a statue, you know. Yes, you are Kurdish, this is your language, live the way you want. That's enough. I think countries and borders are not important anymore. There are so many countries, they are being treated like they are not country. So I think the most important thing is to be free and live in peace. Thank you so much for your kind words. So if you play Battlefield 6, you can play this game mode, Battle Royale, and there is one more game. It's called Gauntlet. You can play them free. You don't have to buy the game, okay? You just download the RedSec, REDREC. It's called Battlefield RedSec. It's free. If you download it, you can play this game mode, Battle Royale, and Gauntlet mode without buying the game, and you can test. I think it's good. It's a good game. How did you learn about us? About Kurdish people? You should be old, right? I thought you're younger than me. Not many people know about us.
Approaching the drop zone. Enemy shooters are swarming the area, so
La la la.
I'll update you on the
Ah, Rojava, yes. That was amazing. Unfortunately, many people lost their lives. Always good people die
You are
for others.
deployed. Call it.
Thank you so much for your... How can I say? I don't know the word in English. For sharing the same... I'm sorry. Sometimes good people die for others, so you did the same. I think no one else landed here. You know, the politics are so dirty. Even though you think you're dying for good reason,
Just came in.
but for the interest, what all you did is going for nothing.
On the way.
That is what annoying me.
Need immediate smoke cover.
That is annoying me.
Smoke is inbound.
I don't trust people anymore, especially the politics.
Good find on those
Wait.
classified materials.
And in China, our university started the Kurdish major this year. Oh my god. Really? You are crazy. I really love you. You are amazing people.
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
You are amazing people. Hopefully one day I'll visit China.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
What's going on? Oh, airstrike. Wow.
Reposition. Move now.
Where did he go? Wait. Goodbye, Liam. Sorry. Liam is China's name, no? Liam. Looks like Chinese. Oh, there are two guys here. Oh,
Mission available.
he knew he was dead
Heads
and
up.
decides to
Grid's about
shoot
to be
me.
compromised by NXC.
You were a brave man. Brave new man. Thank you so much. I usually buy products from China. You have thousands of nice goods. Whenever I check AliExpress, I'm really losing myself. It's so entertaining. Being in AliExpress, there are so many stuff. So many. Come on.
Check your mission.
What? I have a plan. I have a plan.
Area marked. Send it.
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Was this guy legit guy or cheating? How did he know I was here? He didn't even hesitate.
Listen up. Your location is heating up fast. You won't
He
be
looked
safe
at me,
there for long.
looked at me directly, like without thinking, without checking around.
Toxic blaze inbound. Watch your route.
Where are they? Look at this. Oh wow.
Got a new
Free
mission
loot.
for you. Details on your map.
We have no ammo in this weapon, so I will have to switch. Are you serious? We have no ammo. I think I'll go with the sniper still.
Request FMV over my position.
Probably still under me.
Stand by.
I need to have dinner now. See you. See you, Miss Anna. Thank you so much, really. It was nice speaking with you.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Oh, nice shot. I'm going to pick this thing. Come here. Oh, I'm dead.
Got new mission details incoming. Stand by.
Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. There's no sound, man. Was it the same guy or was it a different guy?
Your side's been wiped out. Next
No,
time,
I didn't
step
like
it
this
up.
game at all. This match. I didn't like this match at all. It was so weird. Enjoy your dinner. I don't know if I should play this one, this character. Let's go Assault. Tracker. Equipping the protective mask within 20 meters of an enemy affected by... What is VL7 reverse their position? I think it's a pistol, right? Like throwing grenades. Let's see, I'm going to try to find that thing, throwable thing, and see. Thank you, gamer.
DZ approaching. Those are hostiles jumping in, so find them and smoke check them. Updates to follow.
Ah, I love this place. Combat training. Let's go.
Alright, you're good to go for deployment.
We're going to land somewhere here in the middle,
Rally on that location.
so we can be close to everyone. Go inside, idiot. Come on. Oh, shotgun. Why?
All right, missions just got posted. Have a
I
look
think
and
he had
knock
some
out what you
problems with the game. Look at this guy.
Got enemy in sight.
Oh wait, is it shotgun? Why I had shotgun equipped? Okay, here we go.
Enemy landing near you. Make 'em pay.
Oh, we don't have armor. Let me go in.
Got a new mission ready.
Oh, someone just died here. He have a better. He has a
Heads up. You got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
dangerous weapon with big scope. You have to be careful.
Marking location for support.
Okay, here it comes.
Okay. Oh my god. I died to someone else. There are some rats, man, in every corner.
All right, you're good to go. Sending you back in.
I'm coming for you.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Hopefully there's no one here yet.
Locate bolt cutters to push forward.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. He doesn't miss, man.
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Request overwatch. Grid is indicated.
Goodbye.
Roger. On the way.
He's in the outside. Don't even pick. There's someone else? Oh, I'm not engineer.
Dropping near your location.
Where did he go?
Your current position is going to be overrun by NXC. Don't linger.
Let's go for our mission. Hopefully he's not here, man. Oh my goodness. I don't know, where are you, man?
Lots of shooters out there. Stay on target. That didn't work out. Square yourself away and get back to work.
You gotta leave, man. Come on. He knows I'm here. What's going on?
Reposition! Move now!
Check your mission. Locator beacons are marked.
Nice try, man. You're a brave guy.
Calibrate their location.
You were a brave man.
I don't like the look of this.
Listen, the bad guys have you on their radar. It's do or die. Good, you got the beacon. Now keep it slow. Moving too fast breaks calibration.
We have to get away because they're coming. I think this is the guy. This is the guy who's chasing me with my mission.
That was some solid work. Way to get it done. All clear. They're off your back.
Oh, I suck. I wish I had a better weapon. This LMG was so bad with hip fire.
Sometimes.
Unlucky, man. Let's spectate this guy. Oh. GG's. I wish I had a better weapon, man. Not LMG. LMG is good when you already aim downside and wait for the enemy, not when the enemy is too close. Go for them, brother. Go for them. All yours. You got this. I think there was a fight right here. So soon, man. Look at this.
That's it for missions. Keep your head up until Lexville.
What is going on? I thought the other guy already ace-tracked this guy. No, he didn't ace-track yet? Oh, now he's doing. Oh. Oh, he lost connection. Oh, it's me. What's going on? His game crashed? Most probably. Man, so unlucky. His game crashed. Wow, wow, woo, wow. La la la la la, dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun. Dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun dun. Dun dun dun dun dun. Passive health regeneration triggers 50% faster and provides a 50% improvement on healing. Revive sickness recovery time reduced by 50% as well. While in use, the protective mask improves sprint speed by 10, increases protective mask duration and recharge rate by 50. Equipping the protective mask within 20 meters of an enemy. 20 meters. Reveal their position. Okay. That's good. That's good. I will keep playing with this character to understand better. I usually play engineer, but I think this class is good. Let's try again.
Drop zone's coming up. Enemy shooters closing on target area. Don't let any of them get out of there alive. I'll send updates as needed. You're greenlit to jump. Time to get dirty.
Con permiso, señorita. ¿Cómo se llama? Ay, ay. La la la la da da da da da. Please guys, don't forget to like the stream to support my channel. Gotcha. Gotcha as well. Oh, don't do that.
Heads up. Mission update just came in.
Gotcha. Come on, pick this. Gotcha.
Check your mission.
Request smoke on my grid point.
Roger that. Stand by.
All right, we cleaned them all here. Give me 1 second. I'm picking something, and I'm back now.
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Pound over to that location. Area marked. Send it.
Roger. On the way. You've got a new mission on the way. Review
I missed a lot. I missed a lot. No way. He was moving fast, even he was crushed.
Away. You're headed back in. Enemy is moving into the AO. Some kind of op. Put him down. Target destroyed the tracker. Hustle after him. They beat you to the objective. Shake it off.
Dale mi oreja, te lo juro. No escucho nada. What's going on here?
You should have visibility on the Inferno. Adjust course and stay clear.
How do I check my... Okay, on the right side. We almost got it fully upgraded. Let's see. There's someone here. There's someone here.
Battle's just heating up.
He is dead, brother. He is dead. I killed him. Where are you? We don't have armor. Oh, we have armor. Oof. These guys, don't forget to like the stream. Thank you, thank you.
Target is a high-value laptop. Retrieve the intel and pull the hard.
Oh, shit. You're too slow, buddy. You are very, very too slow.
Need eyes on my lockstat.
ISR rolling in.
You are too slow. You are too slow.
Data. Hold your position and watch your back.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Alright, heads up. There's an
You're going
exfil
back?
drone coming in. Take the data drive to the marked extraction point.
Huh? There's no one around me, I guess. We good, we good. I hope I will get a sniper.
Seeing a custom weapon crate here. Located open vehicle.
Okay, I think everything's right now.
Asset is secured. Keep it up.
We are good at the moment. Are you serious? Oh!
Listen up. Your
They
location
run away?
is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
They run away.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
I'm sure there's someone here still. Just one guy to the car. But they were two. Let's try these weapons now. Hopefully they are good.
Got eyes on a sniper.
Hello, sniper. I wanna go safe zone, man. Fast enough. Pretty fast.
Alright, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Did I get the sniper? Let's try, let's try.
Got a new mission ready.
Area marked. Need smoke now.
Yeah, you got it. On the way. That's it for missions. Keep your head up until exfil.
He has good aim. Stop it, please. Yeah, come on, man. Why everybody's focused on me?
Your side's been wiped out. Next time, step it up.
No one tries to fight, man. Just focus on me all the time. Stupid. Oh yeah, hope you die now. Nice. Good job, man. Well deserved. This guy had a good position. All open. Oh, he ulted himself. Idiot. Oh, maybe it wasn't an airstrike. It was smoke. All good, all good. I think this is a good sniper, huh? This guy has a good position. Ooh, nice shot. He doesn't have armor. Had to pick it. This guy doesn't miss, huh? Holy moly. He's a good sniper. Come on, buddy, you got this. You win the game, come on. Sneaky, sneaky, yeah. That's how you do. He's waiting for his scan. No, I couldn't watch him. Okay. Vale, pues limpio, déjalo ahí. Ahora no lo hagas. Hago yo. Vale, perfecto. ¿A dónde? Vale, pues. I'm going to play Recon as well. Dun da da dun. Dun da da dun. Which one is better? Recon drone can self-destruct for additional damage. Call blocked. Handled jammer, blah blah. Overclocking. Hardware suppression system can now target and destroy any UAV strike packages. Consuming all available charges. Call blocked. This is not useful for solo game mode. Supply rate increased by 10 with each improvement. Effective says upon that. Let's go with this one. Look at the face.
Alright, get ready to jump. Hostiles are dropping into the target area and need to be stopped. I'll point, you hustle. Smoke check everyone down there.
This is going to be risky, but no problem. We're going in.
You are good to go to deploy. Call it. Heads up.
Goodbye.
Enemy dropping into your area.
Gotcha.
Request overwatch. Grid as indicated.
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
Why this weapon is so weird? Nice, we have some ammo. It's time to go.
Missions updated. Review them when you can.
Marking location for support.
Roger. On the way.
What is this thing?
Check screen. Enemy UAV.
How do I... How do I... Stop the UAVs?
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
What were you doing there, buddy? Looting?
Alright, new mission is up. Mark on your map.
Oh,
Contact. Hostile troops sighted. That area looks bad to me.
no way, camper. You're so dirty, man. You're a dirty, dirty man.
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in. Watch your
position.
sector. Yeah, you got it. On the way.
There are so many loots.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Right above me. How do we go up?
Overwatch requested on my grid.
Roger. On the way.
He's on top.
Check your missions.
How do we go up, man?
Battlefield is still crawling with hostiles. Stay alert.
Did you see me? Did you see me?
Check your missions. Heads up. We got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Nice shots, man. He's crazy. He's so stupid. Look, he's going to jump. Oh my god, man. This guy is so good, but at the same time so stupid. Oh my god.
Your side's been wiped out. We'll get it next time.
He had crazy aim, man. Who killed me? I think we both died to this guy. Yeah, probably this guy killed both of us. Definitely this guy is the other guy. Not the guy who pushed me. Better player me, better player wins. Are you serious? He killed him with a shotgun. There's someone on you. Behind you. Wow, this guy has a good aim, huh? And a good weapon. Oh, he has 3 weapons? He's blind. He's blind. God damn it. Nice shots, buddy. He's crazy. Uh-oh, his game crashed. His game crashed. Not my stream. I'm going to teach you how to fix this problem. Yeah, see? Nothing changes, no, with the skin. Little bit here, but changes. Yeah, nothing changes. Copy.
It's go time. Gather intel and stay alert as new missions come in. I'm counting on you. You are good to go to deploy. Call it. solid find on that intel. Keep digging for more. Heads up. Mission updates just came in. Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Mission available. Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing.
What happened?
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
No restrictions. Cleared hot. Sparkling now.
Okay. Here it comes. Check your missions.
Are you serious? Are you serious, man? So stupid. Oh my god, man. This is really stupid, man.
Get over to that waypoint.
Burn zone is closing in. You'll be compromised if you don't move it. New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
I think I heard shot fires from here.
Notch, you've got a lot of targets out there.
What the heck? I saw someone there. Am I blind?
Check your missions.
Oh yeah, he's here. He's on the roof. Did he die?
Check your mission. Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the Inferno.
There's someone else here.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Alright, maybe he died.
Enemy machine gun. Hostile troops sighted.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Request fire mission over.
Roger that. Stand by. Your location is heating up
Rally on
fast.
that
You won't be
location.
safe there for long.
I think he didn't see us, no?
Enemy contact in my AO.
Check your missions.
Get to that RV point. Move.
I think he's hiding in the house. Most probably he's camping. I knew it, man. I knew it, man. Is he going to die?
It's over. Regroup for the next stop.
How is he alive? He was about to die. Man, these guys are so bad. I wish I had my weapon in my hand. Alright guys, that's enough for today. I'm going to go outside.